one of the best here, I think. Wow. Nanababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Luis Season ning Werin Pampanga. Ngayon nga dongay ni at kami po kayo ng St. Jude, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And may invite kami po to introduce to you. This is one of the newest milk tea shop or a milk tea hub in San Fernando, particularly St. Jude. Apin po ining all good milk tea. Balo ko po, dakal beses yun akong apal ben featuring milk teas kay ni Pampanga. But I've heard they got a really special line of milk tea, so really interested to try that. Tara, loob tayo po. Ito, so currently jam-packing mong kwarto tayo. Kasi itapin, I've heard na talagang takala patrons kayo ni, lalong-lalo na malapit na rin subdivisions kayo ni. At the same time, yung millennials nila, yung Jude na rin makanining kind of drinks. But anyway, so let's order. Sir, good afternoon. Nalaling recommended para ano?
Yung best seller po namin ito is for the Milk Cloud Classics po, Okinawa Dark Chocolate Winter Melon and Sapporo.
Okay.
Well, for the Winter Cloud series po.
Okay. So siguro, try mi laretang sinabi mo, baka tang i-introduce mi la karera, nalo laretang titindayo ngayon. Okay, sige po. We got an exclusive access on how they create that milk tea style. So this is one of their secret ingredients. I'm not gonna tell you the exact ingredient, pero happening out on the milk cloud. Just to mention, I got my new all good cup. Thank you so much po. And then this time, gagawin dala rin kaya katang matcha. So they whisk the matcha, ito, and then they whisk it here. Ayan, no? So legit ka talaga na matcha. Never been to Japan, pero sasabihan daw po itong tikman date ang kaya kayo. This one, they are being reminded of Japan. So minsan pa magpasalamat kami kay All Good Milk Tea for inviting us. Again, they are located along Lazatin Boulevard, St. Jude. Kumupo kaya tayo kung kanto ng St. Jude. So very accessible wherever you are. May commute ka mo. Magpasalamat kami muna naman for this new cup. I'm really liking it. Black and white, plain and simple. It's all good. So takmadala po rin karelang milk tea ngeni, Milk Cloud series. So rin karelang popular milk tea. So they also have fruit series. Yeah, no? They also have their Winter Cloud series. Lastly, they have their premium series. Black milk, red fruit tea. Hindi naman yung karelang creamy matcha. Alright, so enough with the talking. Let's taste test it. Muna tamong takman is yung karelang creamy matcha. So earlier, kaya kayo mga nanodege wine. So they really whisk the matcha kenny, and then as per some customers, so when they taste it, they are reminded of Japan. There you go. And then, so let's stir it. Let's give it a good stir. Alright, I think that's enough. Let's taste it. Wow! First impression, nung talagang familiar ka kayong taste na ng matcha, wow, this one is really loaded with matcha. So it's a bit bitter, at the same time creamy because of the, again, kitang milk na kaya bit po kitang secret ingredient ang pepain din. Wow! Let's taste it once more. Next to taste is yung karelang Milk Cloud Classic. Sabi takman tayo pa mo itang, you know, it's like a sea of cloud that's floating. 45 degrees para mag-blend na rin na kayo. Wow, that was amazing. Okay, so let's bring back the cup. Forest from Japan. One trivia for me. And a great milk tea for me. Let's taste it. Wow. My impression, medyo mamawig yakit ang matcha tamu since I think. So siguro the history or behind it is it's coming from Japan. So medyo magkahawig lalasa. One more. And then for those of you who are looking for itong fruit side, I mean, you're not into tea for the day. Pwede nila pong fruit series. Hindi po yung karelang lychee Yakult. So it has, of course, lychee flavor and then ang damo pong coco gel at the bottom. Tama tayo. Wow! Surprise! Maka-surprise siya. So I've tasted some Yakult series from my other vlogs. But this one, lychee is always a good fruit for me. Talagang buri ko lang rin din lychee. And then added siya po itong Yakult. But what's interesting here is they added balamuting medyo savory na because of the milk. So atin yung creamy part itang kaya katamong Yakult plus itang kaya katamong fruit juice. So for me, on top of the other Yakult series that I've tasted, this is the first one. Yaman niya. Right, so let's taste it. Again, let's give a strong stir. Ano, hanggang lalam. Wow. Out of the 4 karetang tikman ko karening cups areni. This guy right here taps the milk tea. But siguro for the rest of the video, this is what I'm gonna enjoy. For a price of 120 pesos, guys, this fruit tea right here is really refreshing. So good. Wait, so before we leave, buri kong sabihin kaya kayo na they are open for franchise. So if you're interested to work with them or franchise with them, contact them on their fan page po. And then lastly, pwede la po for delivery. So just download mga.ph and then search for All Good Milk Tea and then your milk tea is on the delivery. Ibig sabihin ng nanubabo, in English is what's up. Pero yun yung literal. Kasi, di ba, what's up is parang sinasabi mo, ano yung nasa taas. Kaya sa Pampanga, nano ikay babo ka na. So, nanubabo ka ulit. So, sabihin na lang natin, nanubabo ka ulit. So good. Alright, okay, we go. Hindi na mo kaming bro. So, sabihin natin, nanubabo ka ulit. So good. Okay? Okay. Cute. Nanubabo